excellent. I've had great heat, and I've used the air conditioner a few times this summer, so it's been perfect. The system that we removed was about 22 years old. Yes, the house did become quieter. I can't even hear it coming on and going off, so it's been a major improvement. Yes, I'm very satisfied. It's been excellent. I have not had any difficulties at all. Oh gosh, it was so fast. I think it was 2 days at the most, so it was very quick. Yes, absolutely on time, if not before. Yes, Mike was excellent. He came out and gave us me an estimate right away, so I was very pleased. No, placing the order, getting the estimate, and communicating via email and on the phone was very easy. Yes, the technicians were here. They were wonderful. They really didn't need any help from me. I had a lot of other work going on at the same time, and they made themselves at home up in my attic and got the work done without any problems. Yes, they were excellent. And if I had any follow-ups, I think I did speak with customer service on the phone once or twice, but it was I always got the answers that I needed. Oh, I think that it was very, very quick. I had gotten a great recommendation from a neighbor about you guys, and exactly what she said I would find is what happened. So it was awesome. I think you guys are very, very professional, and you do exactly what you say you're going to do.
That's all.
That's it. So easy.
Yes.
Okay.